Welcome, in front of me I have REALME Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to set the custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. First, if you want to use the custom watch face, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the REALME Link application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the REALME Link application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see your REALME Watch 5 right here on the list of my devices. Select it, and here you should see Face Gallery. Tap on it. I guess we need to wait till watch is done connecting with a phone. Okay, and once you open the Face Gallery, you should see the category called Album Watch Faces. You can tap on Album Dial. Here we can customize the how the watch face will look like, but first I'm gonna just add my background, so tap on Add Watch Face, and you have option to open the camera or choose from the album. If you select the camera option, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and use it as a watch face. And the choose from album allows you to open the photo app or something like that and select the picture from your phone. I'm gonna use the second option. Open the download folder, for example, and then open the photo or select the photo. And once you select the photo, you can crop it because the whole picture won't fit on the watch face. We need to select the part of it. You can zoom in, zoom out, and move left and right and up and down. So crop the image, tap on done, and here we have a preview of our watch face. And now we can change the position of the clock. We can change the color of the clock. Okay, and that's about all. Oh, we have also different type of the clock, not only position, but we can also select the different type. So adjust it to your liking, and once you're done customizing the watch face, you can tap on sync to device and the watch face will be applied. Like this. And that's how you set the custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.